Ideally, it'd be nice for the toggle switch if someone had drilled a hole and stuck the toggle switch through the hole so that it wasn't flopping around. And I could do that, but it would involve dismantling and dismembering. And to be honest with you, as long as it's working, I'm kind of okay with it being there. It's not hurting me or bothering me by sticking out. I need to keep in mind that when it's turned that way, it's on. So on is toward the passenger compartment and off is toward the door. And I'll know that when I get it all put back together, because I'll flip it and I'll feel it come on and off. But I also want to remember, in case I ever reach a point where that ain't working, I'll know which way it's supposed to be when it is working. Let's see now. I think I got that good and tight. My electrical tape gets pretty cold when it's 20 degrees, so it's not coming loose real easily. But I think we can get it here. So what I was able to do is slide this, kind of take this screw out, drop the dash down a little, slide that in there, tighten it back up. It's not a real professional placement, but it's in there and it's snug, out of the way. Also works off the switch, and I think that's good enough. Good enough for now. If I want to come back later and drill a hole, put it down here or something, I can, but I'd say for today, that's good enough. All right, what comes next? Well, it might be mail call. I got a Christmas card from a YouTuber just now. Let's go. We'll put our tools away first, and then we'll go see what it says. Holy joy. My tools are in a mess. I was doing that trailer hitch thing yesterday, and I never did clean up when I was done, so it's not quite a mess over here. I think I'll go ahead and do my mail call first. And I'll come back. That'll give the day a little bit more time to warm up. It's still pretty chilly. Yeah.